Listen and check.
Hello?
Hi, Hannah. It's Melanie.
Oh, hi, Melanie. How are you?
I'm fine. How's life in Woodstock? Is it more exciting than New York?
More exciting? No, it isn't. Well, not exactly.
But do you like it there?
Yes, I do. It's okay. It's cleaner than New York.
Yes, I suppose it is.
Yes, and I like the buildings. They're older and different. There aren't many modern buildings here.
Oh, that's nice. What about the stores?
Well, there aren't really a lot of stores here. The stores are better in New York.
Yeah? And the people?
Oh, the people here are great. They're friendlier here, I think.
Oh, yeah? Do you have a boyfriend?
Well, there are these two guys at my school. Their names are Jim and Steve.
Jim and Steve? Yeah? And?
And I'm meeting Steve tomorrow after school.
Really? Where are you going?
We're going to the movie theater in Albany.
And Jim?
No, Jim isn't coming. He's calling me on Saturday.
Wow, Hannah, you're right. The people are very friendly in Woodstock.